Shoulder length.
Shoulder length.
When was the last time?
Wait, I have a better picture. Maybe not.
When was the last time you had your hair this short?
5th grade.
What made you want to do this?
You know, I just really needed a change in my life. I needed people to see me for the real me.
What if this change isn't the right change? Once you get your hair cut, what
And
if
it turns out terrible and I start crying?
What if you realize that it's not the right change?
Then I have a mental breakdown and hair always grows back. So it'll just have about 2 years of misery and then I'll be okay again. Yeah.
Reach out with a bowel head. Like trying to look like Kim Kardashian. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so short.
And what?
Like not all.
To hold on to your long hair. See, this side is like no. So now taking mine to even this all out.
Hi. So, as you can tell, I have short hair now. And it's so soft. And I love it. And it's soft and I can't like braid it or put it in a bun or do anything. But you know what? I like it. Yeah. Yeah. What does Rory have to say? Oh wait, Rory's on the phone.
Sorry.
So she can't talk right now because she's talking to someone else. Oh well. Okay. It's fine, don't worry about it. Okay.
What can you do with your hair now, Karina?
Whip it. Well, I can whip it easier. It takes less centripetal force to whip my hair.
What a geek.
Look, you guys. My inspiration, Jessica Alba.
It looks like almost exactly alike.
That's really good. It's really good.
So if I got my hair cut this short, it would look terrible on me. Like, I know it would.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, I would. Trust me.
Why?
I would never cut my hair short.
Okay, I'm sorry.
But it looks good on you.
So now we're just chilling like a villain and we're gonna go out to eat dinner. If I had said Dylan, that would have rhymed, except for we're not gonna eat Dylan. Surrounded by hair products. What are you surrounded by?
This looks really good on you. I feel like your eyes and your features are more brought out.
Really? Like they